Welcome to the Kerridge Commercial System video tutorials for VAST Online. In this video, we're going to review how to complete a physical inventory. In VAST Online, the physical inventory process is conveniently organized in a checklist format. The process consists on 10 steps that is going to take you from creating physical inventory groups until update the inventory count on the system. Step 1. Physical inventory groups. In this step, you're going to create groups for tires and parts. These groups will be used in the second step to build your count sheet. Click Inventory from the vertical toolbar. Select the Physical Inventory tab from the Inventory heading. The Physical Inventory window will appear showing the checklist. Click on the Physical Inventory Groups tab. The Physical Inventory Groups window will open. Click on the Add button from the lower left corner to add a new count group. Enter a name for the count group and then click on the Save button. The Add Count Group window will close and the system will go back to the physical inventory groups. Highlight the count group and select the appropriate sales class. The available account code grid will auto-populate. Move the desired account codes from the available account code list into the account code included list. You have two options. Click on this arrow to move all account codes over the account codes included list. This is recommended if you are counting all tires or parts. Or click on this arrow to move selected individual account codes. This will only move the desired account codes highlighted from the available account codes. Remember that only the products that fall into the account codes included list will be included on the account sheet. If you added a code to the list by error, you have two options. Click on this arrow to remove all the account codes moved to the account code included list. Click on this arrow to remove only the desired account codes highlighted from the account codes included. Repeat this process until all necessary codes are added to the account codes included list. After this, click on the Save icon. Click on the Cancel icon to go back to the Physical Inventory window. Step 2. Create Physical Inventory Sheets. Design your Physical Inventory count sheets by selecting which groups will be included in the count and setting different criteria options. Click on Create Physical Inventory Sheets tab from the Physical Inventory menu. The Create Physical Inventory Sheets window will appear. Along the top of the window, define what will appear on the sheet and other formatting options. Select the report options. You will choose the cost basis and you will enter the number of blank lines to print on the count sheets. From the count sheet options, you are going to select if the count sheet will include tires or both tires and parts. You need to select how you want the tires or products to be sorted on the sort options. You will also have to select how you want the quantity in hand to be included in the report. In the Available Count Group column, highlight the group to be included on the count sheet and click on the arrow to move the group over to the Count Group to be Printed column. On the lower right corner of the window, you're going to find 5 options. Cancel, to cancel the work and go back to the Physical Inventory window. Check Count, view a summary of what will be included in the count. Clear, select the previously saved count sheet. Save your count sheet, and Save and Preview to save and preview count sheet. If you click on Save and Preview, the Print Preview window will display. Click Cancel to exit. Once the Cancel button has clicked, the Preview window will close and the Begin Freeze tab from the Physical Inventory window will activate. Step 3. Begin Freeze. Once you have your count sheets built and printed, the next step is to freeze your inventory. Essentially, VAST Online is taking a snapshot of your inventory. Click on the Begin Freeze tab from the Physical Inventory window. A confirmation box will appear. Click on the Freeze button. A second confirmation box will appear. Click on the OK button. Additional buttons will become active on the Physical Inventory menu. Step 4. Input Count. Once you're done counting your inventory, input your counts into VAST Online. You will have the opportunity to enter any products that were found during the count but were not on the original count sheet. click on the Input Count tab from the Physical Inventory menu. The Input Count window will open. Enter the count in the Counted Quantity column. After the counts were entered, click on the Finish button to continue with the physical inventory process. You must be on the last page for the Finish button to be active. If you click Save, the system will save your progress and you can resume entering counts at any time until you finish. After clicking Finish, an Add an Additional Products window will appear. Click Yes if additional products were found and need to be added to the count sheet. Otherwise, click No to continue. If you click Yes, the blank Input Count window will open. Enter a product number and click on the magnifying glass to validate it. Then, enter the counted quantity. After you finish entering your products, click on the Process Extra button. Whether you click Process Extra from the Input Count or if you click No from the Add Additional Product prompt box, an information window will appear. Click OK to continue. The confirmation box will close and the physical inventory window will appear. Step 5. Core Count. Optional. If your shop tracks cores, input the counted quantities for your cores. Click on the Core Count tab from the Physical Inventory menu. The Core Count window will open. Enter the counts in the Counted Quantity column, then click Save. A print preview window with the Core Count report will open. Click Cancel to exit. The print preview window will close and the Physical Inventory window will appear. Step 6. Start Product Count Optional. If your shop tracks start products, input the counted quantities for your products. Click on the Start Product Count tab from the Physical Inventory menu. The Start Product Count window will open. Enter the counts in the Counted Quantity column, then click Save. A print preview window with the Start Product Count report will open. Click Cancel to exit. The print preview window will close and the Physical Inventory window will appear. Step 7. Finish counting. Click to complete the physical inventory and remove the freeze. Click on the Finish Counting tab from the Physical Inventory menu. A confirmation window will prompt. Ensure you are completely done with your counts. Then click on Yes. The confirmation box will close and the Physical Inventory window will appear. Additional buttons will become active on the Physical Inventory menu. Step 8. Check Results. Use the Check Results screen to make any corrections to your counts. Click on the Check Results tab from the Physical Inventory menu. The Check Results window will open. Review the pre-counted quantity, counted quantity, and difference column. Adjust your counted quantities if needed. If you want to view the lines that only had discrepancies, click on the Show Only Difference button. From the lower right corner, you can select Cancel if no changes are made, Save to save any changes and continue with the physical inventory, Inventory Variance Report to generate a report to use to recount items with count discrepancies, and Difference Report to generate a report of items with count discrepancies. Click Cancel to exit this window. The physical inventory window will appear. Step 9. Discrepancy Report. Optional. This is an optional report that you may generate after inputting your counts to see any discrepancies between loss or gains. Click on the Discrepancy Report tab from the Physical Inventory menu. The Discrepancy Report prompt will open. Click Run Report. A print preview window with the Discrepancy Report will open. Click Cancel to exit. The print preview window will close and the Physical Inventory window will appear. Step 10. Adjust Level. This is the final step in the physical inventory process. Adjusting your level means Fast Online will update the inventory count. Click on the Adjust Level tab from the Physical Inventory menu. The Adjust Level prompt window will open. Select Yes to update the inventory counts or No to go back to the Physical Inventory menu to review your counts again. If there is a notable difference between the total counted quantity and the frozen quantity, a sanity check prompt will appear. Select Yes to update the inventory counts or No to go back to the Physical Inventory menu to review your counts again. After clicking Yes, a Physical Inventory Adjustment prompt will appear. Click OK. A print preview window with the adjustment report will open. Click Cancel to exit, and the physical inventory is now complete.